Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? It's been a while since I've done a food review, but here I am. I'm gonna try out the Propud Milkshake, the mint chocolate flavor, winter edition. As I love mint chocolate, I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, it does really have the mint chocolate flavor to it. It is relatively thick. I do like this one. So it's nice that I have another one in the fridge. This might be good to have as a snack. So I think I will probably keep buying those whenever I'm at the shop. Comment below what you think. Like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.